everyone, my name is Aisha and in this video I am going to show you how to create Google form. So first of all, open any browser, open Google, type Google Forms. And you will find Google Forms free online survey for personal use. Click on this. You can find document, sheets, slides, forms. We are creating forms, so it is highlighted forms. You can see two types of forms, personal and business. I am going to select the personal, so click on go to Google Forms. Then you can see here template gallery. It will provide the already designed templates of forms, different types of forms. You can click on this arrow, personal forms, work forms, contact information forms, and education type of forms, blank quiz, work request, event feedback, contact information, event registration, etc. types of forms are already available. Click on this plus button and create the new form. Here you can see untitled form, and you can see here customize theme, preview, setting and send. So first of all we will set the theme for the form. So I am clicking on customize theme. Here you can see the blue color. You can change the color, red, green, blue, orange, etc. Now I am going to set the image for the background. So I am clicking on header, choose image. Here you can see themes, different themes are there for work, school. You can upload the image if you are already have any image of your college, school, or the type of form. According to that you can select the image. So I am using my college image here. I have already stored that image on the desktop. I am selecting it. I will click on done. And the image is appeared here. Now I will set the name of the form, untitled form. I am writing here Maulana, Maulana Azad College Students Information. Suppose we want to collect the updated information of the student. Fill the correct information. Description of the form. Now we will add questions one by one. So you can see here plus sign. This is for adding the question. Here import question. You can import the question from already designed forms. Here you can give the title and description. You can add the image. You can insert the video through YouTube link, and you can create the sections. So first of all I am writing here first question, name of the student. So this is short type answer, so it will automatically take short answer. If you click on this required, it will make this question compulsory and red star mark will appear here when you will preview the form. Now I am going to create the second question, mobile number. So it will ask for it is number, so I am taking it it should be number. It is also compulsory question, make it required. Next, third, gender. It will ask for female, male. It will give the suggestion to add all, female, male, prefer not to say, or other, or you can select only female or male. So I am using add all. Next question we will add class. So we will set class for check boxes. First year, second year, third year. Now next question, stream, stream, stream. Now we will set stream using drop down menu. First option BA, BSc, BCom, BCS, BCA. Now suppose this is required information, or now one more information we will add it here, address. So address will be the lengthy answer, so it will select automatically paragraph. Now we will view our form. Here you can see preview. We can see the preview. See here, fill the correct information, name of the student, mobile number, gender, class, stream, address. Now we will add one more field, email. So click on plus email ID. So when you will type email ID, it will ask suggestion, enable email collection setting. So if you will click on this email collection setting, it will make this question first, and it will make this question compulsory, and emails are used for collection and for giving the response. So I am clicking on enable email setting. You can see the question will appear at the top, email address with this star mark. Now again we will see the preview. Now you can see email address, name of student, all compulsory questions, mobile number, class, stream, address. If you will click on submit, it will submit it. Now we have to see how to send the form. When you will click on the send, include form in email and shorten URL, send. Now this form is sent to me and I am filling the form. So you can see one response is there. I have filled the form and I am getting the response. My email address, name, mobile number, gender, class, stream. Now you can see this on sheets. So create a new spreadsheet. I am clicking on create. And this response is added in this sheet. So I think you understand how to create the form using the Google form. If you understand the concept of creating Google forms, please like the video and thanks for watching.